Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your classroom on Google Classroom. And for this we search for login classroom first on Google, and then he will send us to this page. Then make sure that you log in to your Classroom or Google account, but I already did that. So what we now do is you can join a class and then fill in here your code, but we want to create a class. So what we need to do is click on that, accept this class name, YouTube test 1, section, tag, subject, how to create classroom. Now it's fine, and then room 1. Then we click on create. And right now the class is created. So from here, this is the class code that we need to share. So let's copy this, Ctrl C. And right now, if someone will join our classroom, so if he go, let's say we go back and search for join classroom. Now we click on this. And then right now what we can do is plus join class, Ctrl V, and then we can click on join. Now this is my own class, so this is difficult to do, but if you do this with a code that you receive in your mail, you can let people join to your classroom. So that's exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.